going to show you how to do the French knots. For that, bring the needle up through the fabric, take the thread in your hand and wrap it around the needle once, and then go down just next to the hole from where you came out. Make sure you hold the thread tight, but not too much, so you can easily pull your eye needle through the created knot. If you want to create a bigger French knot, you can wrap your thread twice. Here I wrapped it 3 times, so you can see the difference of the volume. The volume also depends on how much you are tightening your thread, so if you want to have a bigger knot, try to not tighten it too much. I'm wrapping my thread 4 times here. More wraps you do, more tricky it might be. Just don't rush, take your time and you will easily handle it. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my embroidery tutorials.